What up, America? This is my first cooking video on our channel, baby. Seeing as Faux Life. Anyway, so silly. So anyway, what I plan to do is, because people always ask about like how do I make lunch, how do I make it quick, how do I make it easy, so I make salads in a jar. One of the things I also do is that I meal prep for people, and so this is actually a meal prep for a friend of mine, Nikki, and every week she orders 3 salads. So we have choices. The salads that she orders is 16 ounces, and a 16-ounce salad, that's a lot of damn salad. It fit in a bowl this big. So it's kind of a whole meal. If you don't want a salad that big, you could do an 8-ounce salad, which will get you full. You can add a little meat to it if you want, like a side piece of chicken or something, or it could be a dinner salad, either way you want. But we're gonna make this here salad for $2.50 a jar from Aldi's. And Aldi's ain't paying me, so I'm just letting y'all know in case. We need to hashtag Aldi's up in here, because I live in Aldi's. I don't shop nowhere else but Aldi's and maybe a big box store. So we're gonna make these salads for $2.50 using these Aldi ingredients. This is not an Aldi ingredient. Okay. These Aldi ingredients. Because this is how she likes her salad. It's a turkey bacon club salad. Okay. And so.
And then the bacon comes from where?
The bacon comes from Sam's Club, because everybody in our damn family, except for you, baby,
Except for me,
eats bacon. And we make bacon pizzas. We put bacon on our salad, and these is real bacon crumbles. And so this bag is like $10 a bag. And with $10, you could get a whole lot of salads out of it, which is pennies per salad. Now, before you make any salad, it is important. It's a happy face. Is it happy face gone?
It's a happy face.
It is important.
But what's in the glass?
To sip a lot. So I couldn't decide if I wanted wine or if I wanted vodka.
Okay.
I be damned if they don't make a rosé vodka. Okay. Who knew? I can have the best of both worlds. Right. Feed 2 birds with 1 kernel. I've already had 3 sips. But we're about to do it.
This is going to be an interesting salad.
Let's make salad. Get your wonderful, awesome, amazing Cutco knife. They ain't paying me either.
All these ain't paying. Who's paying for all this?
You are, baby, don't you know?
Okay.
And so, the way that you make a salad in a jar, you can put dressing in the bottom if you wanted to. She doesn't really care for dressing in the bottom, but the way that you make it is that she got something in here. She cleaned it out. Onions, all of your things that can withstand liquid, so or have liquid in them, like your onions, your tomatoes, your cucumbers, all of that goes into the bottom. And in the middle is something that may or may not be able to withstand it. So that's where the cheese and the eggs come in, the bacon, the turkey. And then the lettuce goes at the very top. So the lettuce isn't really touching anything wet. Then it seals with these wonderful, sealed mason jar lids. And so this can keep anywhere between 5 and 7 days. It just really depends on how old your lettuce is, how the temperature of your refrigerator, but 5 to 7 days. So
with that said, with the wet stuff, just a quick question.
Go ahead.
If you wash your lettuce, when you wash your lettuce, it's best to let it dry first.
Of course.
Since it's going to be on the bottom, right?
Of course.
Okay.
That's what she does, and then she brings me back my jars. So if you want me to meal prep for you, bring back my damn jars. It's the best way I'm gonna meal prep for you. So anyway, you rough chop your onions, and measurements really aren't a thing, because you just kind of do what it is that works for you. I have done her salads a lot, so I kind of know what she likes, how much she likes. So if you want more onions, more tomatoes, more cucumbers than what you see, of course you can have that. This here cucumber I used the other day. Me and Cornell tried to make this video the other day, but then, baby, you want to tell them what happened the other day?
We had technical difficulties.
And I didn't like my outfit neither. Sometimes the outfits are everything. So anyway, again, like I said, I've been doing her salads for like a year, maybe. Has it been a year? I don't know how long it's been. So I can measure. If you like more cucumbers, more onions, more tomatoes, you can put however much stuff you want in your salad, however much what you like, in the words of Auntie Fee. So, cut up your cucumbers, and you see, you notice all this stuff is kind of wet-like, and so the juice from the wet stuff works. Okay, so the onion is $1.59 a bag. But you could probably get 50 salads out of $1.59 bag of onion. So you're spending like 3 cents. The cucumber, I got my little cheat sheet over here because I couldn't remember. It's 79 cents. I have been using this cucumber like every 3 days. So really it's a few cents. I think I might put her a little more cucumber in here just because I got some more still. It's a few cents. The tomatoes, these are Roma tomatoes. They're 99 cents. A bag. You get like 6 tomatoes in there, so you can make quite a few salads. Let's see how much we're gonna make without tomatoes. 12 salads. So the Roma tomatoes is 8 cents per jar, and your biggest cost really is gonna come with the lettuce, and sometimes it depends on the brand of lettuce that you're using too. So if you're using like this spring mix is $4 and change for this, and believe it or not, this big old thing is about to make 3 whole salads. What else did I miss? Okay, and so the eggs, she uses about a half a tomato per salad, so I'm probably going to use 1.5. But the eggs, so our agreement is I meal prep her salads, and then she buys my milk and eggs. Because apparently in the state of Illinois, eggs are like 44 cents a dozen, and milk is like $1 a gallon. And when you got kids like we got kids, you need a lot of milk and eggs in your house, especially growing boys. So that's our deal. She also do some really other cool stuff for me too. But for $7.50, she buys me milk and eggs every single week, and so that works for us. I need one more tomato. Baby, you got any questions? Want to talk about our upcoming videos that we gonna have going on?
Oh, with CNS for Life.
Oh, live! You got to say it like you mean it, baby.
Yeah, I do mean it.
You don't mean it.
It should be pretty interesting because, you know, the people in my life, the rough and raw.
Ooh, I like it rough and raw.
You're doing a cooking show. Can you do a cooking show and keep it clean?
Not really. So, big game, America. So we have our wet ingredients down here. They all settled in and layered up real good. So at this point, you can kind of do it however you want to. Now, I use this turkey because this is the kind of turkey she liked. You can use whatever kind of turkey you want to use. And so this turkey is like $2.99. Is it $2.99? $3.49. And I can make about 16 salads if I use 5 slices a piece for her. And she likes it. You can use that good turkey. You can use the terrible turkey. You use that buttock meat. This is kind of like a cross between the two. Some good Black Forest turkey. So we sit that in her jar. You like this turkey, baby. I used to make you meat and cheese sandwiches.
Yes, you did.
I don't eat much meat, y'all. It's not my thing. But, let me also say that you can make salads like this if you do keto, if you do any low carb, or if you're just trying to eat light. So it just all depends on what you want to put in here. This here turkey is probably not keto friendly because it has additives, but if you wanted to use actual turkey breast cut or chicken breast or what have you, you can absolutely do that. Everything else here is keto perfect for you. It's also very low carb, very fibrous, as you can see. So this here bacon, like I said, is $10 a bag, but we do it. So you use however much bacon you want to, or how little bacon you want to. Yes, I'm sticking my hand in the bacon. It is about, I'd say about a 1/4 cup I'm putting in here, give or take, some, maybe more, maybe less somewhere else.
Bacon makes everything better.
Bacon, man, you drop bacon in a pile of shit. And I would probably eat it. Because I love bacon. Okay. From here, this is the coolest damn contraption ever. Not this egg, this is. So Pampered Chef, who ain't paying me either. Has this cool little egg and tomato slicer. I had it for like a million years. I don't do tomatoes because they get kind of squishy, you know, as you can see. But look, you put the little egg in there, boom, push it down, and look, it made the little lines there like that there. But it's also shaped both ways, so you can turn it the other way, boom. Now you got quartered, cubed pieces of egg in there, and you ain't really making no mess. Because usually when you're doing eggs, boiled eggs, then you know you got all that stuff in your hand and all that, but I could just boom, 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 drop it down like that. So when she goes to mix up the salad, it'll be in like little strips, bacon strips. So sometimes you gotta get the little extra out.
You help the people to something.
I'm helping some people stuff, you know what I'm saying? And this here is shredded cheese. It's about $2.49 at Aldi's. It's a Colby Jack. It's a blend. She likes blends, so that's what we're doing. So I'm doing probably about a quarter cup, I would say, of cheese on here. So I'm gonna stick that in there. You can do as much or as little cheese as you want to. It's your salad. You can do whatever you want with your MF salad, according to Auntie Fee, R.I.P. That was my girl. I love me some Auntie Fee. She taught me a whole bunch of stuff. Little cooking hacks and stuff. If you didn't know her like that, you missed it. Alright. I flipped it over because it has to stay dry in order for this to work. So, we got all of our ingredients. We got our onions, cucumbers, tomatoes, bacon, turkey, eggs, cheese. Believe it or not, all this lettuce is going in these 3 salads. Hence why it's a big ass salad for 16 ounces. So
you have to make sure your lettuce is dry already.
Yeah, don't wet the lettuce, America. Please don't. Just get it clean out the container. Or get you one of them salad spinners if you somebody who got to wash off every single solitary thing you buy from the store. Get you a salad spinner. I don't own a salad spinner. It is what it is. If I die, I die. So, what? Did you know they be talking about that E. coli with romaine? Notice this ain't romaine. This is spring mix with arugula, some spinach, some red leaf lettuce, and other stuff. So, and this is healthier too. Like you could do romaine, it stays crisper longer, I will say. But it's not as flavorful as this particular lettuce. You can also get it at Sam's Club. I might not use all of it, baby. That means I can have me a little extra salad left over. Maybe. We'll see. Anywho, and depending on which one you use is how long it lasts. Romaine will last a little longer. Romaine will last probably about 8 to 10 days. So, got a little left over. I might have a dinner salad. Okay. Seal it up. We got 1, 2, 3 salads at $2.50 a piece. You can't beat that with a stick. Can you, baby?
Can't beat it with a stick.
Hey, we need y'all to like our page. We need y'all to comment on whatever you think should be made better. We need you to subscribe. I don't know where the damn button is. Is it right here? Or is it right here? We need you to subscribe. And until then, we're going to have vodka. We're going to have rosé vodka and put our salads in a jar in the Frigidator until tomorrow.
In the where?
In the Frigidator. In the Frigidator, in the words of Cat Williams. It's the Frigidator. Thank y'all for watching. We really appreciate it. Baby, say bye to the people.
Bye, people.
CNS. Oh, life.
Yeah.